about to push us up and do some crazy numbers. Oh! So I already got my next trade idea planned out. So we're gonna buy one here at 365. Everything is trying to hammer off. Long wicks to downside, big buyer volume. Good morning, my fellow traders. Currently Friday, end of the week, so let's try to end strong. I'm currently swinging some SPY calls. I'm still in them, and it looks very good because, guys, we had that 5:30 a.m. market news, unemployment rates and employment rates. News reports dropped hour before the market opened, so it looks like it did pretty good. Plus, if you guys saw my vlog yesterday, you guys would have saw that I broke down why I'm even in calls in the first place, which usually I don't swing stuff, but it did look good. So we got a nice breakout here, and then again, same thing, a little bit of a range here going on, and then a nice breakout. So we're gonna hold these for the rest of the day. I at least got in yesterday, so a good position, and we're gonna hold these for just the rest of the day until we can hit that resistance level up here, and then maybe I plan to sell at 607.86. So we need another dollar push. So let's see how these open up. At open, we have 15 minutes before the market opens, and that's kind of all I see. Now, I did already post what I'm looking at in the Discord, which I'll show you guys here. In the trade ideas tab, you can see I have a lot of stuff I'm looking at. Now, Apple is on the main watch as well. You can see Apple's getting pretty tight here. It looks like it's going to break today, as well as Nvidia. Nvidia above 129 looks like it wants it. And guys, make sure you're in the Discord, because look at this. We drop sauce every single day. And then at market open, we trade it. So let's see what we can catch at the market. Or is this news that's about to drop here right now in 1 single second about to push us up and do some crazy numbers? Oh! So we just sold on the ask, $70 L. That's crazy. 7 a.m. news came around, instantly negative 40%. I ain't even gonna lie, that's crazy. I just got clapped. I got wiped. So guys, I swung calls yesterday from here, and at one point it was all the way up here. I was seeing green, and then 7 a.m. news hit, instantly rockets us, guys. Oh my Lord. Got instantly clapped like crazy. So here's what it is. Down, let me show you guys right here. We're currently down $70 off that single trade, only up $10 on the week. So we got to be very careful as far as when it comes to any trade that we take, because any trade can either put us negative or continually put us positive on the week. So we got to be very cautious. That was 7 a.m. news that hit. So the whole market tanked. But guys, check out Nvidia. Nvidia's the only one kind of holding here. So I'm not saying I'm going to take calls, but as far as when it comes to looking for strength, Nvidia is the one with strength. So I do like that a lot. So I already got my next trade idea planned out. Okay, so essentially you can see every time we hit this general area, it tends to either bounce and easily we can break below. Now at this case, honestly, it might be a bounce of support, which is kind of happening now. I'm just watching the whole market as a whole and making sure to see what we're doing. Now, if it does start to bounce in our market, it does get a little bit bullish, maybe I can take calls, but that's why I'm watching this pattern here. So I understand a lot of people don't like patterns, and I don't even trade patterns or rely on them either. If this thing breaks the downside of this pattern, doesn't mean I'm going to enter puts, but I just needed to respect this pattern to ensure that it's keeping that momentum. So right now, everything is pulling up here very strong. Since everything's pulling strong, if this breaks above this pattern, then that indicates to me that buyers want to take it and they're going to break above this pattern. Or if it respects this pattern and ends up eventually breaking down back below, then to me that just indicates, look, we're keeping that momentum to the downside, and market is most likely going to probably break back below the support, and then we can enter some puts. So that's my trade idea plan for today. Pretty good. So this could easily be an entry on Amazon, because look at this, guys. Rejected these EMAs, held the little pattern nicely, and here we are again. So honestly, Amazon is looking like a buy. The only issue is SPY. It could easily bounce off the support, which is kind of happening now. So we got to make sure and actually watch the markets. Let me look on that. Let me look on the higher time frames and see what we're doing. So we're going to buy one here at 365. Market is pulling down very hard. SPY is about to break below support. So let's get into these contracts here, guys. So we just exited because, guys, market is getting fat buyers here. Okay, guys, so we're going to end it here. We did take one loss. Honestly, I wish I would have never swung that trade, but we're down $40 on the day. Took a $30 gain, a $70 loss, which puts us only down $40. So we're going to wrap it up here because, guys, 2 for 2. I don't want to risk anything else. If I take another loss, it's probably going to be about, again, be down $70. It's just not worth it. So hope you guys had an awesome Friday. We will do a trade recap as well. I was expecting more of a drop. We saw 18% on these Amazon, but we just never completely got the actual drop, even though SPY here is dropping. The reason why I sold is because, guys, look at everything on every time frame scale here. Everything is trying to hammer off. Long wicks to downside, big buyer volume. So we're just going to exit there. Took these contracts from, let's see, guys, these contracts were fat at one point. Unfortunately, we just sold where we didn't want to, but it is what it is. Contracts got in at 365, sold at 395. So anyways, guys, have a good rest of your guys' day. I'll catch you guys on next vlog.